Hello and welcome to Electropedia. Today, we are measuring pressure using a pressure sensor and Arduino Nano. We will use the inbuilt 10-bit ADC of the Arduino Nano to read the sensor output voltage. First, let's understand pressure. Pressure is the force applied per unit area. In simple words, it tells us how much force is acting on a surface. Pressure measurement is widely used in many applications such as water flow in pipes, air pressure in pneumatic systems, gas cylinders, hydraulic machines, and industrial tanks. Now, for this project, we will first measure pressure using the inbuilt 10-bit ADC of the Arduino Nano. Arduino Nano has an inbuilt analog-to-digital converter, or ADC, which converts analog voltage into digital values that the microcontroller can understand. Since it is a 10-bit ADC, it can divide the input voltage into 2 raised to the power 10, which equals 1024 divisions or levels. That means the ADC can represent values from 0 to 1023. For example, if we use a 5-volt reference, then 0 volts corresponds to ADC value 0. 5 volts corresponds to ADC value 1023. So, each small step or resolution becomes approximately 4.88 millivolts per division. This digital value will later help us calculate the pressure accurately from the sensor output. In this project, we are using a 0 to 0.1 megapascals pressure sensor to measure the water pressure inside the pipe and detect the water level in centimeters. The pressure range of this sensor is from 0 to 0.1 megapascals, which is equal to 0 to 100 kilopascals. The output voltage range of this sensor is from 0.5 volts to 5 volts. We will connect the sensor output to the analog input pin of the Arduino Nano and measure the voltage using the inbuilt 10-bit ADC of the Arduino Nano. Using these readings, we can calculate the water pressure and convert it into water level in centimeters. As per the wiring diagram, connect the red wire to 5 volt, black wire to ground, and yellow wire to a 0 that is analog 0 pin of the Arduino Nano. Now let's check the code part for measuring water pressure using the Arduino Nano and pressure sensor. First, the Arduino reads the analog value from the pressure sensor through the AO pin. Next, the ADC value is converted into voltage using the 5-volt reference of the Arduino Nano. After that, the voltage is converted into pressure in MPa using the pressure sensor formula. Then, the pressure value is converted from MPa into Pascal. Using the hydrostatic pressure formula, the code calculates the water height in meters. Finally, the height is converted into centimeters and displayed on the serial monitor along with the voltage and pressure readings. Follow these steps to set up the Arduino IDE, select the Arduino Nano board and COM port. Now upload the code to the Arduino Nano and wait for the successful upload message. After the code is uploaded successfully, open the serial monitor and check the output readings displayed in real time. You can test the pressure sensor by gently blowing air into it. If the pressure and water level values change on the serial monitor, then the setup is working successfully. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will measure pressure with a 16-bit ADC using the ADS1115 module for more accurate readings. Please like, share, and subscribe for more projects.